Redmond Methodist Church, Redmond United Methodist Church. It's the home of the Open Kitchen, which is a very well-known community asset, providing meals for the homeless and the community in general. They also have a winter shelter for the men, and recently the Kiwanis supplied a meal there for the winter shelter. This is a picture. I immediately see the trees. There's actually 2 cedars there and a cedar in the back. If you look further back, I have no idea if they're going to be chopped down or not. I do know that we're not going to see them from here, from 166. Down towards the strip mall that Frankie's Pizza used to be, and Frankie's is torn down for eventually to put the Anderson Park Hotel in. Right here, it looks like there's another development that's going in. I think we're going to have a cave effect on 166 because you have this development going in, you've got this development going in, and then you're going to have Frankie's going in here. Not Frankie's, but you're going to have Anderson Park Hotel going in here. So it looks like 166 is going to be boxed in by all of these developments, and we'll see in about 2 years what it looks like. Right back there, you can see, if you really squint, you can see the Medora Bakery. Pretty noisy here. You can see Medora Bakery. That's where Council Member John Stillen hangs out every Tuesday before the council meetings. And he has an advertisement on Experience Redmond blog. And I met the owner. She's Asian and knows everything about the downtown construction. At least she does seem to know everything about it. Over here, To continue, you see the John L. Scott there, maybe you don't. That's going to be another complex that's going in, and again, it's an apartment box building with mixed use. If you look way to the distance, there's a crane there, a red crane, and they've just completed a new building there. I'm not sure if the Cam West was involved in that or not. Pretty quiet now, and it's kind of nice that these sidewalks are clear. As you see, the sidewalks on this side are completely shut down, and it's been a real hassle trying to walk around downtown here safely. Here's one of the few citizens walking down the sidewalk. It's been really icy on the roads today, especially the parking lots. This is Friday morning, and I think my hands are getting cold, so I'm going to sign off.